Hey, what's up? Sam here. KUGOO S1 series scooters are the most budget-friendly scooters on buying. They're so durable and fun to ride. The KUGOO S1 is also my first e-scooter and have strong fitness in the body. Now KUGOO is adding a new scooter to the S1 lineup, the KUGOO S1 Plus. So what's the Plus part and how is it compared to its brothers, the S1 and the S1 Pro? We'll find out in this video. Just for record, this video is not going to be very long, but it will be fun. Just like our W11 Shopping Festival, we only have 2 days left for the mega sale. So come check it out, don't miss it! There are 3 major differences compared to the S1 and S1 Pro. First is the handlebar. It has added 2 right rings for you to lock or unlock when you fold or unfold the handlebar. The display and operation have also got simplified. Just long press the key on the right throttle control to turn on the S1 Plus. Short press once to switch among different speed modes. The max speed gets you up to 30 km per hour if you are interested to know. Short press the key once on the left brake control to honk. It sounds like this. Quick tap twice to turn on the lights. Quick tap 3 times to switch between 0 start and non-zero start. Second, the folding mechanism. To be honest, we've received some complaints from the older one, and people even use a hammer to fold it. It's KUGOO's fault, of course. Now you don't have to, just pull up the button and put on the latch as the video shows to get the S1 Plus unfolded. Then put the latch back to lock the screw. Easy peasy. Third is the standing board. S1 Plus is double the grippier surface, which should be safer. Those basically are all the differences. Others they're almost the same, like the retractable stem design, the honeycomb tires, etc. But the whole S1 Plus comes with a much better finish, looks more elegant and refined. Regarding the riding experience, it's still easy and fun to ride on all kinds of city roads. No problem at all on those not too steep slopes. Though unlike other KUGOO scooters like the M4 series or KUGOO G Booster with shock absorber, it still feels comfortable and fun on flat ground. Good for your daily commutes. It's portable, you can easily carry it to anywhere you want. And of course, and all the products have escaped the semi-durability test. Hope it works. Yes, it's durable. So to conclude, for me the S1 Plus is more like an improved version of the S1 and the S1 Pro combined. It keeps all the good stuff and takes the leap to refine some imperfections from other S1 scooters. I mean, it's not that perfect and you wouldn't have any complaints at all, it's just a good scooter with great value. If you're looking for an entry-level scooter to have fun or for light daily commutes, or you want to buy as a nice gift for your family members for the upcoming holidays, this one is for you. For more, you can check out the link in the description or on the screen. Also, don't forget our W11 Shopping Festival. Only 2 days left. I'm Sammy, and see you in the next one.